Gasoline cars run on something called an internal combustion engine, or ICE. Fuel ignites inside the engine thousands of times every minute. That controlled explosion is what powers the car. But that process also creates heat, friction, and wear, which is why gas cars need regular maintenance, like oil changes, spark plugs, filters, transmission servicing, engine repair. The electric alternative. Electric cars simply use stored electricity, which means no engine oil, no fuel system, and far fewer moving parts. Electric vehicles replace the entire gasoline engine with a battery and an electric motor. Instead of burning fuel, electric cars simply use stored electricity, which means no fuel system and far fewer moving parts. Charging can happen in different ways: at home overnight, at charging stations in malls, or at public EV chargers that are gradually expanding across the country.